Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a video on what's in my refrigerator and pantry. So here we go. Okay, you see we have Lactaid, or I have Lactaid. I have water, 7-Up, which is my favorite. I keep my olive oil in the refrigerator and I get it from Trader Joe's. I don't want to break that. And I have some Frank's Wingtip hot sauce, buffalo wings, and I keep baking soda back there. Strawberry banana drink, olives. I love my green olives. They are a must-have. 2 different sugars, eggs. I have the C&H pure cane sugar, and I have the regular. And also you'll see I have Malt-O-Meal in 2 flavors, regular and chocolate. Okay, and in the back there I have flaxseed. I must keep my flaxseed. I get that at Trader Joe's for like $2. Fresh and Easy has it for $4.99. Trader Joe's has it for $2. Go figure. Okay, on the next shelf there is my cornmeal and my flour. I keep that in the refrigerator at all times in case I want to fry fish or fry up something. I'll use either one. Back here we have mozzarella cheese and bread and butter chips, pickle chips, cream cheese, bread. I love white bread. And we have a jalapeno sandwich spread, garlic. We also have extra hot links here. I picked those up at Superior Market. Everything else is from Walmart. I also picked this up from Superior. I love salsa on my chips, so that's one of my favorites. It's really hot. Carrots on the next shelf. Me and my puppy like to snack on carrots. Salami. I'm a bit of a junk food junkie, so there's not a lot of healthy stuff in here. And of course, my bacon. Okay, I have a little French onion dip here, beans, and I keep a few yogurts in the back, and a few more lunch meats here by Budding. And these carrots here are for my dog. I cook them and give them to him in his dry food. And I have more hot dog bun, hot dogs actually. The buns are there. I love tortillas. I put these on, just put them on the fire and put some butter on them and they're wonderful, good to go. Inside here I have my tomatoes, serrano peppers, onions, and more serrano peppers with red onions. I put serrano peppers in almost everything I cook, so I have to keep them. I also usually keep habanero peppers. Okay, sides are just filled with my hot sauce, really. Tabasco regular, Tabasco habanero. And jellies, different cheeses. I use Land O'Lakes butter. There's more butter. And I don't like mayo, so I use this. The hot and spicy sandwich. Has to be hot for me. Even my mustard's hot. There we go. We have apricot jelly and strawberry jelly. Eggo, Aunt Jemima ketchup, more Eggo, Zesty Italian, if I ever eat salads, and my jalapeno slices. Now, onto the pantry. Also up here, I have all my different teas. I love peppermint tea, and golden seal is good for a number of things. And this tea here is Partiarca. You can Google them, find out what they're all good for. That's just a few, and I take garlic pills so I don't have to eat it all the time. Okay, here we have my pantry, and it's really hard to see in there. So what I have is just Jell-O, raisins, cereal, Triscuits. Down here are a few. I don't buy many canned goods, so I just really buy a lot of broths and cream sour corn. I make pies sometime. And down here is my water and sodas and my baby's food and bags to take him outside in. And up here we have more. I haven't really shopped because summer's just ending. So usually I have bunches of cake mixes up here, and cake mixes and what do you call those, brownies. So yeah, there's some pancake mixes and rices and Quaker Oats. So that just about does it. Over here I have, just on the side of the refrigerator, my iced teas and my honey. And I have a bottle of wine there in case anyone comes over for dinner and they'd like to drink, because I don't drink. So, the freezer, I almost forgot. We have chimichanga, cheese burritos, Banquet, cinnamon toast, Eggos, blueberry, my favorite. Told you guys I'm a junk food junkie. Ground beef patties, some pork ribs, carrots here, greens, which is turnip greens and collard greens up here. Back there we have corn dogs, green beans, whiting fish, Celeste pizzas, skinless chicken, and family pack of chicken. And I bake all my chicken. I hardly ever fry it. And on my table, I have more junk. Here I have cupcakes, donuts, chips, cookies, Pringles, and for Halloween candy corn. Okay, that will end what's in my refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Please rate, like, and subscribe, and share this video. Bye-bye.